Modal verb may statements, affirmative and negative forms. Modal verb may statements. I may perform on stage tomorrow. I may not perform on stage tomorrow. Negative contracted form not in use. You may complete the assignment. You may not complete the assignment. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may statements. We may fasten your seatbelt soon. We may not fasten your seatbelt soon. Negative contracted form not in use. They may let us go early today. They may not let us go early today. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may statements. He may get the promotion this year. He may not get the promotion this year. Negative contracted form not in use. She may receive the package this evening. She may not receive the package this evening. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may statements. It may charge faster with the new cable. It may not charge faster with the new cable. Negative contracted form not in use. The witnesses may describe suspect clearly. The witnesses may not describe the suspect clearly. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may statements. Students may register for the course online. Students may not register for the course online. Negative contracted form not in use. My father may forgive your mistake. My father may not forgive your mistake. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may statements. The manager may call you tomorrow. The manager may not call you tomorrow. Negative contracted form not in use. The technician may insert the chip now. The technician may not insert the chip now. Negative contracted form not in use. Modal verb may exercise. Comment on statements with modal verb may in both the affirmative and negative forms. Thank you.